welcome to another video of the Brave in Cyber series. In this video we will cover the CRLF injection. Okay, where we use and what is the related attacks of CRLF injection. The first point of this HTTP response splitting, and the second one log injection. In the HTTP response splitting side, we can use the CRLF for splitting the response, and we can use for adding some additional headers for our response. For example, we can use that for redirecting to another site, or some XSS examples we can see, or some additional cookie stalling stories. We can use that. The second point is log injection. When we add the CRLF character in our input, if our input uses for logging, the log creator generally use the CRLF characters for new line feed, and we can add the new line with CRLF. Maybe you found some vulnerabilities and other vulnerabilities, and you want to escape the defensive teams, and you can use the log injection technique for mixing the logs. Okay, how does CRLF works in real life? In this example, you can see the request and response, and our request contain 0D and 0A, later that the set cookie header, and CRLF injection POC by pre-read attack. And you can see the response side, our location and our set cookie split it, and we add the new header correctly. If you know about something, the headers maybe you can use for different things, like I said, for stealing some cookies, for redirecting the user, or generating some XSS payloads with these headers. Maybe the application used the specific header for creating some inputs. Maybe you can change this header with CRLF, and you can add some script, and you can use the XSS. Okay, and chaining the CRLF injection. Like we said, you can use with XSS. You can use for cache poisoning or website defacement, hijacking the sessions or stealing the cookies, client browser poisoning. You can use another vulnerabilities with that. Actually, you can find another techniques for chaining. Maybe you can chain 2 or 5 or 3 or another numbers of the vulnerabilities. For example, while you can testing the application, imagine you found a SQL injection, and you found one XSS, stored XSS, and you found the CRLF injection. They are storing input comes with the header. You can use CRLF injection for the XSS, and later that storing our XSS, maybe you can steal the administrative sessions. Later that you can enter with the admin session, and you can use the SQL injection for more information about database, etc., etc. Okay, how to prevent CRLF injection. Firstly, we must not trust user input. We must filter and validate. After that, we can use stripping new lines, and we can use encoding for our data. And later, we must test your application with some penetration testing or bug bounty programs or another programs, maybe private bug bounty or continuous scanning maybe you can use. The main idea is you must test your application. Okay, you can see the additional sources in the slide, and you can look at that sources for lots of information about CRLF injection, and you can find additional training techniques maybe with Google or some another search engines. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.